Welcome to Susurros del Corazón, an Auberge resort in Punta de Mita. Today, we are immersing ourselves in an Auberge-branded beachfront villa with uninterrupted ocean views and 8,340 square feet of space across 3 levels. This home integrates indoor and outdoor with nature's smooth and seamless touch. This villa features 7 expansive and suite bedrooms and dreamy outdoor space, offering cliffside views of the entire Bay of Banderas. A spacious game room, private gym with sauna and steam room, plus a large infinity pool, fire pit, and outdoor bar and jacuzzi. That was all for the video. We hope you liked the tour. If you'd like us to present your villa, you will find all of our contact information in the video description. And if you like these property tours, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.